Now the next step is to convert this sketch into 3D. We'll give it some height. And to do that, we'll move our cursor to this solid tab, and under the create panel, you will find this tool that says extrude. So if we'll activate this extrude tool, so as you can see, this is just got highlighted. This means the tool just got activated. And the moment you will activate this tool by clicking, you will see a new box popped up onto your screen with multiple options, right? Now automatically this area just got highlighted in blue. This means this profile here you can see is selected right now. So if it is not selected, let's say I will deselect it. So you can see the profile is not selected. So to select this profile, what you have to do is just move your cursor inside the sketch, inside this closed area, and click anywhere to select it. So here you can see my profile just got selected. Now I will click on this home icon that you can see with my view cube. So this area is known as view cube. So I will click on this home icon over here. Now you can see I just moved my complete sketch into 3D visual style. Now you can see this arrow. So by using this arrow, if you drag this arrow forward and backward, you can give it some height. But since we already had the exact dimensions, so I can enter that values 45 into this box active. Also you can input these values inside this distance option over here, and then simply press OK. And the moment you will press OK, here you can see this is the first body that we had created. Also, if you are seeing this body in some different color, don't worry. By default, most of the time it is gray in color, but if you are seeing some different color, simply go into the inspect panel and click on this display component color option, and you will be able to see your default colors only. So right now you can see we did two steps. We created a simple rectangle sketch, and then we converted that sketch to 3D box.